In this question, you're asked to find the ratio in which A 3 minus 4 and B minus 5 6 is divided by x-axis and y-axis. So we can directly use the formula that we have discussed, or we can try to do it step by step. So let us do one of it by a standard process, and for the other let us use the formula. So if you want to find the ratio in which A 3 minus 4 and B minus 5 6 is divided by x-axis, so let us say that this line segment AB meets x-axis at a point P. So we know that every point on x-axis can be assumed as x comma 0, as we have discussed very early. So let the ratio be lambda is to 1. Let the ratio be lambda is to 1, which is an unknown now. So P x comma 0 has to be equal to minus 5 lambda plus 3 by lambda plus 1, 6 lambda minus 4 by lambda plus 1. So I'm doing the formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So this implies now you want lambda. So equate the y coefficients, because in the x coefficient this is also unknown, lambda is also unknown. You won't get a number for lambda. But here y is known and lambda is unknown. So 0 is equal to 6 lambda minus 4 by lambda plus 1. So lambda, 6 lambda is equal to 4. Lambda is equal to 2 by 3. Hence the ratio is 2 by 3 is to 1. So the required ratio is 2 by 3 is to 1, or simply 2 is to 3. So using this process, what you can also do is, once you get this lambda, if you substitute it in this x coordinate, you can find the point where this AB meets x-axis. You can also find the value of x. Just by substituting lambda is equal to 2 by 3 here, you calculate this number. That will be the x coordinate of the point where the line segment AB cuts x-axis. So now let us see whether our formula works or not. What is our formula? The ratio is nothing but minus of y1 by y2. It is minus of minus 4 by 6. That is equal to 2 by 3. So as you see, you got the exact same ratio. So now, what is the ratio in which y-axis divides AB? So let us directly do this using the formula. The formula is minus of x1 by x2. That is minus of 3 by minus 5. This minus and minus gets cancelled. So you have the ratio 3 is to 5. So this will be the answer corresponding to y-axis. Thank you.